Viewers, and welcome back to another lecture. It took a long for this lecture, but now I'm back with a lecture 15. Today I'm going to tell you about some cool shapes that you can make, like this one on the screen, and this one, and the Lockpick Logo. So this is my channel name, Graphicsers. You can find me on Google and you can find me on YouTube by just typing GRAFIXERS. So I'm going to remove this for now, and today the tool we are going to use is Shape Builder, and you can go to this tool by just pressing Shift plus M. So before selecting this tool, I'm going to make these stripes. So all you need for this whole design is 1 2 3 4 5 stripes green and 5 brown stripes. So here I'm going to make it on the artboard. I've selected rounded rectangle tool, and this is how I made one stripe. I'm going to duplicate it by pressing Alt button on the keyboard and holding down the Shift key to make it exactly on the same position vertically as I just left hold button, both of the buttons. Now I'm going to press Ctrl D to repeat the operation, Ctrl plus D again to repeat the operation, and again Ctrl plus D. So this is how I got 5 stripes, same size, same length, and same difference. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just reflecting the whole 5 stripes. Sorry, not reflecting, rotating it by 90 degrees, and I'm going to press copy, so I will be left with 5 original stripes and 5 rotated copy stripes. So here I've got this one. Simple as that. For this thing, you might be thinking to use the pathfinder, where you can unite and where you can divide and everything, but the simple tool you will be amazed to see is the Shape Builder tool. So I'm going to select all of these. For the Shape Builder, you have to select the design, select the shapes you want to make shapes from that. So the first thing, I'm going to click Shape Builder tool and then selecting these 3. So this is, they made it one shape, not 3. Then going to make these 3 shapes 1, and then these 3 shapes, and again these 3 shapes. So this is the first thing is going up from the other side, and this one here is down, and then up, and then down, and then up. So for the up, I will have to make these 3 one solid shape. So for this one, it would be down and then up. I'm just clicking and dragging it. I'm not pressing any key on the keyboard. So this is how simple this tool is. So again these 3, and then these 3, these 3, these 3. Now this one is single, so I'm going to make these 3 one shape. It's very simple and very quick tool for making such shapes. It took me time to make some samples for you, that what should be there for you to make you understand what Shape Builder tool is all about. So I'm done with it. I just had to recolor the stripes. So all these stripes from the left are going to be brown. So here you go. I'm pressing the I'm just selecting it from here. Here you can see the design is already made. There's one little difference between these two, is I have done some shadowing effect on it, but still you have got this design. So this is as simple as it as I made it. So I'm Control G, grouping it. I'm making it on this one side. Now the second thing I'm going to make is this design. So I will just use the shape builder tool quick. So for this I would need one circle, then two more shapes like this. I'm going to rotate this one by 90, making a copy, selecting all of these three and aligning them to middle. And then as you can see, this is kind of empty from inside. So for that I will convert it to stroke, and then I will give it a little width of 110. Remember, I'm using 1000 by 1000 artboard. Selecting it, going to middle. I would like to increase the size a little bit, so I'm not going to uniform. I will go for one side, so that's vertical on this one, pressing OK, and horizontal on this one by 10%. And then what I'm going to do, I will make it fill by just going to object and then expand, pressing OK. So this is fill. All I need to do is giving a different color for now, but the shape builder tool mix the colors, so be ready for that. I'm selecting shape builder tool, and from here to here I'm making one shape. From this side I'm making one shape, from this side I'm making one shape, same here. Now this ring will go like this. Here it is again, the same operation on four sides. Now this will be down, so this and this. So this is down, this would be up. So this is up, this will be down. So here you go, you are done. I'm just selecting these and making one color for that, like this one. Selecting again this one, giving it another color like this one, and here you go, you've got this shape. Just the difference of the shadow effect. Now the third thing is for the Olympic. I've made a video for the Olympic logo, and it took me around 20 to 25 minutes to making this kind of thing. But with the shape builder tool you can do this in 2 minutes. Like you're making 5 circles. One, I'm just copying it by pressing the Alt key and making 3 more circles, 2 and 3. These 3 has to be on the same line, so here we go, these 2 on the same line, here we go. And now all of 5 these have to be equally distributed, so here you go. Now I'm going to give it stroke instead of fill, so I'm giving it this much stroke. This might be much better than that, so I'll make it closer so you can they can just overlap each other. So I'm just aligning all of these, distributing. Again, sorry, Control Z, a little more. Yes, like this, and I'm going to bring these 2 down here. it looks almost similar, but all you have to do, like, I'm going to recolor all of these. For first, I'm going to make it fill instead of stroke. I will give it colors, different colors for you to understand better. Pink, any colors. I'm not copying the Olympic logo. I'm just giving it a simple color for you to understand. I'm going to give it this one red. So if you see over here, the rings are overlapping each other. They are inside of another ring. So by keeping both of these things on one page, I'll bring this one closer over here. I'll make it small. Bring these one on the artboard so you can see it better. So this one, yellow one, is overlapping this circle. So by selecting all of these, going to the shape builder tool, you need these three overlapping this one, and over here you need these three again overlapping the dark blue circle. And again from here, oops, I've made some mistake over here. I'm going to quickly undo these, and I will have to, yes, careful for that. So distributing again, a little more gap. Sorry for all of this, to make it again here, and a little more, so these doesn't touch each other. And maybe I can bring these one down. Yes, much better. Now I'm going to quickly expand them. So these are fill. I'll go quickly recolor them by pressing the I button on, and Control I, Control I, Control I. Bringing this one down so you can see it better. The blue one over here is overlapping the brown one, so Shift M will bring the shape builder tool. I have to select all of these, shape builder tool, and then clicking over here. Now this one has to overlap the light blue, so here three pieces. Oops, again I've missed something, so this has to be over here, but that's way small. I hope you will understand and you will do it better than me. So here you will have to keep this one up and this one down. Same here, you will have to make this one up, and this one is already down. Make this one up and this one up from here. So let me recolor all of these, pressing the I button, Control, selecting this one, Shift, and this one, pressing this and pressing Shift, this one, pressing Shift and Control, and at the last this one. So here we are ready with the Olympic logo, and you can see how quickly I've made this with the shape builder tool. So I hope you will like it. Feel free to ask for anything anytime if you just need any help in these designs. We have covered the shape builder tool in this lecture 15. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.